How to create text clipping masks in Canva in the easiest and most simplest way. Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be quickly talking about text clipping masks and how we're going to be creating them. So what you're going to be doing is you are first of all going to come over to any consistent design that you want. In my case, I am using a YouTube thumbnail design. Now over here, what we're going to do is first of all, you're going to come over to elements and you're going to add a shape in the background, right? So here's our shape. We're going to go ahead and give it a darker color. Now, once that is done, you're going to go over to text. And once you go over to text, you're going to choose any font that you want to use as a clipping mask. So let's say I'm going to go with this font right here. And once this is done, you're going to basically centralize it as so. And we're going to move it to the right side just over here. So once this is done, you're going to choose it at a whiter color. So once this is done, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to group it. And I'm going to increase the design. Okay, there we go. I'm going to bring it slightly down here, increase the design even more. And right about here is where the design is good and good to go. So what you're going to do from here is you're going to share it and download it as a PNG. Now, once it's downloaded as a PNG, we're simply going to delete this whole design from here, and we're going to add this design right about here. So once this is done, we're going to keep it on one side. We're going to go over to our uploads, and we're going to choose the image that we want to add as a proper clipped mask. So let's say I'm going to go over to some design or some image like this one, right? So once we've added this over here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this image, go to background remover and remove the backgrounds, which will basically remove the get the app design. All right. And obviously in the case that it does do a hefty job at the background removal, what you can do is just bring this layer forward. Okay. So we're bringing it to front. Go ahead and remove the background and look at that. So just like this, you can create any clipping mask for any design and add your consistent text over it. Now, in the case that your image is, in some other wrongdoings, what you can do over from there is the design that we deleted. What you can do is invert their colors. So let's say I'm going to make this white and I'm going to make this text black. Okay. And what you're going to do, go ahead and download it again, just as so. And once that is done, go ahead, delete the whole thing. Okay. Once that is done, simply go over to the design you want to add like this. Okay. Here's our design. I'm going to go ahead and add this image in the foreground. And once it's forward, simply go ahead over to it and remove the background off of it if there is any. So go over to edit, go to background remover, and once we go to background remover, just like that, you can go ahead and create any type of text masks for yourself. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.